Welcome to this Parent GG video guide on setting up support roles for members inside your Discord server. Support roles are used to control the permissions for bot functions that certain roles in your server have. You need to set up these roles to allow your staff to have access to bot functionality. Please be aware that this feature does not allow users access to the web panel. If this is what you're looking for, check out our documentation for help with setting up panel staff accounts. So let's get started. Support roles are set up from the Parent GG panel, so navigate there to get started. Click on the Support Roles section on the sidebar. The first area that you'll notice on this page is for Admin Override, which enables any user with administrator permissions to override the roles that you have set up below. You can set this option to false if you don't wish to have this behavior. Upon inviting one of our bots to your server, you may notice that it's created a role automatically. This is to ensure that you can get started with functionality straight away. For example, the Helper GG bot has added this ticket support role to our server. You can continue to use this role and assign it to people in your server to allow all of these permissions with the bot. However, for extra customization, you can use your own roles and allow access to features from our bots through them. In order to do this, head to the New Role button at the top of the page. You will now see another bot support role added to this list. Head over to the drop-down and select the role from your Discord server that you want to manage the bot permissions for. You can see that you now have the ability to manage what features of our bots members who have this role can access. Feel free to customize what permissions you want each of your roles to access. Please note that free non-paying members can add up to 3 support roles, and premium subscribers can add up to 20. Thank you for watching this Parent GG video guide. We hope that everything went smoothly and the guide was helpful to follow. Please feel free to get in touch with us for any support or questions by joining our Discord server at discord.parents.gg. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time.